Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So I did this cute little bomb afro using some Freetress hair. It took like an hour and a half sets. If you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned, please. And if you want to see more of me, get to know me a little bit better, I'm thinking you should probably subscribe, like a video, comment. We can hang out, we can get to know each other. But for real though, stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into the video. I'm going ahead and oiling that scalp, honey, because this is a protective scalp style, and you want to make sure it's going to protect. And then this is the hair. I'm just showing you what it looks like. It's a 2x Freetress 1 curly hair. I had used about 3 packs of this hair. And you could definitely get away with 2. You don't need 3 because I ended up splitting it into like about 3 or 4 strands. And I like my curly hair really kind of bushy and like a fro. And if you want your hair to be more of a control curl, then you would definitely only split it maybe 1 or 2 times instead of the 3 or 4 times that I split my hair. So here I'm just going ahead and showing you how I crochet a couple in the back. And I space them out a little bit more in the back, maybe about 3 to 4 on each row. I didn't do them super close together. And there you go. And then I'm just gonna get to the front of my hair because it's very repetitive in the back. So here I'm just gonna show you how I did the invisible knot method. I'm gonna take 1 strand of hair, pull it through, and then I'm just gonna pull that other hair back on top, lay it back on top. I'm gonna slow it down and I'm gonna show you to do it. Show you how to do it again. So I'm gonna pull that through. I'm gonna pull 1 piece of hair instead of 2, pulling that through, and then I'm gonna lay that strand right on top, and that is how you get it done. And I just did the whole front of my head that way. And here I'm just gonna take another piece of crochet hair. I'm gonna go ahead and hook that up in the front. You want to use smaller strands of hair because this hair is so thick so it doesn't get tangled in the crochet needle. And that is how the fro looks all to the front. It is huge. It is voluminous. Hope I'm saying that right. And I love how big it is. And I am definitely going to take it and trim it. Here I was just getting a look of everything, seeing if I needed to add any to the front just in case I wanted to do like a half up, half down. And since I noticed you can still see my cornrows in the front, and I don't like that look, I'm gonna go ahead and take some small pieces and crochet that where you can still see the braids. And I'm just gonna take the crochet hair itself to tie my hair back. So here I'm taking super small pieces, pretty small pieces to put them in the front, still using the invisible method to hide those braids in the front. Be very, very careful here because you don't want to take out any of your hair. Make sure your edges are strong enough to do this portion. I added weave into the front, so it's pretty secure in the front. I just want to make sure if I wanted to pull my hair back, you wouldn't see all the braids in the front. Because like I said, I'm not a huge fan of seeing like the cornrows in the front of my head. And then as it get older, it's almost like the crochet hair starts to slide back. So if you do try to get as close to the front as you can without ruining your hair, then the style will also last longer because your cornrows, your crochet hair won't be sliding back as quick because you have filled up the front of your head. So here I'm just continuing to doing like that invisible knot method throughout the entire front of my hair, and I have finished it. And then I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna cut it. So I think I've trimmed it down, and now I'm trying to gel down whatever little hairs I have left in the front, which are few in between. I don't know what I'm gelling down, but I'm trying. Ain't really much to gel down, sis. What you doing? Anyways, so I'm just smoothing down whatever hair I had left in the front with some edge control. Like I said, it was just like a little. When I say it was a little bit, it was a little bit. So here is the finished look. I love the fro. I trimmed around to just kind of shape my face and made a bang. Because like I said, I wanted a fro. And I just loved how it ended up coming out. This is just me dancing and showing you how the hair came out. Because I just loved this fro, honey. Super, super cute. Thank you for watching. This is the finished look with my face beat. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back and see me. I'm gonna do some more videos. I'm gonna get some more popping coming up through here. Bouncing, yes, honey. Giving all types of fro life. I love it. I love it. I love the fro, honey. I love it. I might need to cut a little bit more, but I think it's cute right now. But if you want to see how to slay, stay, boo, stay. Stay, boo, stay. To the left, to the right. Now stay, boo, stay. All right. Bye.